I got all these color shift colors I'm going to use only on this thing, and I'm also just going to use a little bit of black when I do the scales. Yeah. First one I'll do is this electric blue intense violet. See if you can see that. Now I'm going with orange violet. Old gold gray violet. And that's just going on the top. So I'm just gonna let it fade down the sides. There. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. Well, whoops. I thought I recorded all that, the painting of the scales and the little lines. I used this like such on both of them. Made a turquoise color and sprayed that. Now I'm just gonna take some black and the bunch of reducer and paint around that, tone it down quite a bit. Got jet black in the airbrush now. I'm just gonna put it on the top. Oh, really? That was stupid. I got clear coat built up down there. I'm gonna clean that off. All right, there we go. Got it free flapping. I just gotta cut this. All right, now I just put some UV resin on these points and then tie it up and let's go fishing. Alright, funny story about this. I just put a bunch of money into this motor to get it running perfect, and the choke solenoid doesn't work. So, in order to do this, use this. That's the choke, not the throttle. And then maybe. And boom, it's running. For now. Okay. Yep, we'll just put this back on. 2-stroke. Problems of a 2-stroke. Oh my gosh. It's gonna die. Don't die. I need you. Spit in water. Yep, we're good. Heck yeah, dude. We're going. We're off to the races. This boat is a 1992 Grumman 1784, I think, TC. Motor is a same year. Force, believe it's made by Mercury. Force 90 horsepower. Great first boat. That knot I just tied was a polymer knot. Pretty simple knot. There we go. There we go. My voice cracked. Alright. Crappie that looks like a bluegill kind of thing. Let's see what this thing does. Does it sink? Float? Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, it's a slow sink. Oh my gosh. Such a wide action. First cast. This is way better than the bluegill. Oh, oh come on. This thing is so old. Makes a lot of noises, but by golly, it works. Man, this is incredible. I couldn't ask for better action on this. And the floppy tail. Put that there. Turn that on. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, and it came off. Target species, that was a pike. How's it going? Okay. Comprende. That's probably the same pike I just hooked into. Alright, one bite on this. Let's actually hook up into a pike. Please. That was sweet. Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. Oh! Oh, freaking A, dude. Man. Freaking A. Came off. Oh, no, it's still there. Oh, come on. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, sweet, came off. Hell yeah, dude. Frickin' me. He fell. Hell yeah. Okay, let's get him back. There he goes. Okay. There we go. Let's catch another one. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Dude. This is where the fish are. Oh yeah, he's still on. That's a better one. Hell yeah, dude. Oh no, it's not. He's a little smaller. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, he's smaller. He's smaller than the last one, but still a pike. All right, second fish on this. There we go. Second fish on the crappie bluegill thingy later. That is exciting. 2 strikes the other day. Two fish the other day were quite a bit bigger. But man, 2 fish on this, pretty close together. That's freaking sweet. It's gutted. Oh, wow, nothing actually came out. That's amazing. Oh no, I just gotta push. Which wire is it? It's white and blue. See? All right, let's go home. Caught 2 fish. Had 4 eat it, 2 hooked up. It's held up a whole heck of a lot better than this guy. If you watch this video, you know. Here's the other half. It broke. But now I know, don't print things like that. Print them like this, so the layer lines are going horizontally. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for going on the boat with me, and we'll catch you in the next one.